You're watching Grits on Grits. Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel today. We've got another budget-friendly knife video on tap for you. This is a cool little knife. This knife is by Ryder. It's called the Coal Miner Electrician's Knife. And it does have that kind of old school electrician knife design. This model number is RR1138. This knife will run you probably the $13 to $15 range, depending on where you buy it. Pretty cool little knife so far. Got a 440 stainless steel spear point blade, and you can see there it's got the little coal miner thing etched in it. You got the Ryder logo emblazoned there. Pretty nifty. Looks like it's got brass liners. Blades 2 3/4 inches long. Pretty cool. Let's see, we'll close it up. Let's see about the wire stripper here. So this is a wire stripper screwdriver blade, and it's locking. You can see there, it's got the lock, the liner lock. It's brass. Pretty cool. Scales, got the black smooth bone scales. Got the lanyard bail, nickel silver bolsters. Looks like probably nickel silver pins also. Just over 4 inches closed. Open length is 6.5 inches or so. Weighs just over 4 ounces, so it's not a bad knife. Pretty cool. Fit and finish is not bad. Not bad at all. It's pretty tight. Looks good. Another cool knife. I mean, what a nice budget-friendly knife. And, you know, for the $13 to $15 range, you know, this is another knife that you could add to your collection. And for that price point, you know, pretty good. Well, that's another one for you. This is one I would recommend. Thanks for watching the video. This is another budget-friendly knife video. Please subscribe, like, and share, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.